Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use linear AI for bug tracking. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use linear AI for bug tracking, all you gotta do is simply go to linear. Once you're in your linear AI, all you gotta do is simply tap on it. Once you are in it now, using your linear for bug tracking involves leveraging its core features like cycles, project issues, and powerful integrations with AI driven tools like Cypher, Capture.dev, Cursor to automate bug intake, checking, and even fixes. Transforming raw feedback into actionable tickets with minimal efforts, thus streamlining workflow from report to resolution. So if you gotta simply use the simple AI driven tools and like if you leverage its core feature, you can use linear AI for bug tracking. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.